8 gestures every woman dreams of you doing, but will never ask you. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to making her heart skip a beat without even trying? In this video, we're diving into 8 simple yet powerful gestures every woman dreams of, but would never ask for. These aren't just romantic cliches, they're heartfelt actions that show her you truly see her, value her, and cherish every moment together. So, whether you're looking to deepen your connection or spark something unforgettable, stay tuned, because these tips will change the way she looks at you forever. Number 1. Compliment her body, especially her curves. Let's be real. She's not hitting the gym and spending hours deciding between outfits just for health or because she loves fashion. She's sculpting, toning, and styling herself so that you notice. And when you do, don't keep it to yourself. A simple, genuine compliment like, "Those jeans look amazing on you," paired with a confident touch on her hips or a meaningful look in her eyes, can ignite a spark in her that she'll carry all day. Why does this matter so much? Because deep down, every woman wants to feel desired, seen, and appreciated. It's not just about her looks, it's about feeling like the effort she's putting in matters to someone she cares about. Confidence, attention, and validation are the trifecta she's secretly hoping for. But here's the catch. Sincerity is key. Overdoing it or sounding insincere can ruin the moment. Keep it bold, real, and effortless, and you'll give her a compliment that stays with her long after her squats have worn off. 2. Open the door like a gentleman. Chivalry isn't outdated, it's just underappreciated. In a world where rushed moments and self-focus often overshadow thoughtfulness, being the man who opens doors stands out in the best way. Imagine this. You park the car, get out, and walk around to open her door with a confident, easy smile. No big speeches or dramatic gestures, just an act of care that says, "I've got you." Whether it's the door to the car, a restaurant, or anywhere else, that simple, thoughtful action sends a powerful message. It's not about her being incapable, it's about showing her that she's valued and cherished. Women don't forget these gestures because they make them feel respected and cared for. 2 things every person craves. It's a subtle yet impactful way to express your character and attentiveness. So don't hesitate. Open the door like a gentleman. You'll leave an impression that's as rare as it is unforgettable. 3. Offer her your jacket when she's cold. Let's face it, she didn't choose that outfit for its insulation. It's all about looking incredible for you. But now she's shivering, caught between regretting her wardrobe choice and hoping you'll notice while still trying to look composed. This is your moment to shine. Without hesitation, slip off your jacket and gently place it over her shoulders. This isn't just about warmth. It's a gesture that speaks volumes. It says, "I notice your needs and I'm willing to make myself uncomfortable to take care of you." That one act taps into something deeper. It shows her you're a protector, someone who's dependable when life gets tough or temperatures drop. Suddenly, you're not just the guy she's with, you're her personal heater, her knight in leather or denim armor. And here's the thing, this moment doesn't just leave an impression on her. Everyone who sees it will catch on too. It's the kind of chivalrous move that leaves her feeling cared for, admired, and proud to have you by her side. 4. Validate her charm, genuinely and from the heart. Sure, she knows she's beautiful. She's heard it before. But when the compliment comes from you, the man she values, it carries a different weight. It's not about delivering flowery speeches or generic flattery. It's about noticing the little things that make her uniquely captivating. A simple, heartfelt line like, "I love the way your smile lights up the room," or "That dress looks incredible on you," can mean more than you realize. These aren't just words. They're affirmations that she's seen, appreciated, and desired in a way that sets her apart from everyone else. Why is this so powerful? Because every woman wants to feel special, like she's the only one who can make you look twice. A sincere compliment reassures her that she's more than just beautiful to you. She's mesmerizing. So skip the overdone cliches, tune into what genuinely catches your eye, and say it like you mean it. Trust me, that validation will stay with her longer than you might imagine, fueling her confidence and deepening your connection. Number 5, share your plate like a gentleman. There's something undeniably charming about sharing your food. It's a small gesture, but it speaks volumes. Before she even gathers the courage to ask for a bite, offer her one. Better yet, take the initiative. Load up your fork with the best bite and gently bring it to her lips. This isn't just about food, it's about creating a moment of intimacy and connection. It's playful, sweet, and quietly says, "What's mine is yours." Why does this matter? Because the little things show thoughtfulness and a willingness to share, two qualities that women deeply appreciate. It's not about the meal, it's about the way you make her feel included and cared for in the simplest of ways. Trust me, this small act can leave a lasting impression, turning an ordinary dinner into a cherished memory. 6. Go shopping with her and actually engage. Let's be honest, shopping isn't most guys' idea of fun, but here's the catch. Your willingness to tag along and truly participate sets you apart. Don't just be a passive observer, scrolling on your phone or waiting impatiently. Be present. When she tries something on, offer thoughtful feedback like, "That dress is amazing, it really shows off your figure." If she's unsure, be the confident voice she needs. "This one is perfect, trust me." Why does this matter? Because it's not really about the shopping, it's about showing interest in her and what makes her feel beautiful. By being involved, you're telling her you care about her confidence, her style, and her happiness. And that's a gesture she'll appreciate far more than you realize. So next time, don't dread the mall. Embrace the opportunity to make her feel supported, admired, and stunning in your eyes. 7. Defend her in public, even if she's wrong. Nothing makes a woman feel more secure than knowing her partner has her back, especially in public. When someone challenges her or puts her in an uncomfortable situation, stand by her. Even if she's not entirely in the right, show unwavering support in the moment. A simple, steady, "I'm with her," or calmly redirecting the conversation can go a long way. Why? Because in those moments, she doesn't just need logic, she needs loyalty. Later, in private, you can gently discuss the situation and any differing views. But in front of others, she needs to know you're her steadfast ally, her rock in the storm. Women lose respect for men who leave them vulnerable to criticism or conflict, especially when they're already feeling exposed. Defending her doesn't mean agreeing with everything. It means showing her that no matter what, you're on her side. That kind of support builds trust, respect, and a bond that's unshakable. 8. Surprise her at work. There's nothing quite like an unexpected gesture to brighten her day. And showing up at her workplace with something thoughtful is a guaranteed win. Whether it's her favorite coffee, a sweet treat, or a small bouquet of flowers, the effort shows you've been thinking about her. This kind of surprise doesn't just make her day, it makes her feel special. She'll carry that smile for hours, and you can bet her colleagues will notice and envy how thoughtful you are. Why does this work so well? Because it's a controlled surprise. Thoughtful, simple, and timed just right. It says, "I care about you, even when you're not with me." Plus, she'll love having a reason to brag about how lucky she is. These little moments of unexpected kindness go a long way in keeping the spark alive and reminding her she's cherished. So, plan that small surprise. It's a gesture she'll never forget. Conclusion. There you have it, 8 gestures that go beyond words and create moments she'll never forget. Remember, it's not about grand displays, but the little things that speak straight to her heart. So which of these will you try first? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on building relationships that truly thrive. Your next move might just be the one she's been dreaming of all along.